Just a quick video. If you want to know what's happening, just going to show how you can make something that'll flip holes in wood. If you've got small holes in wood, you just need a little bit of sawdust. Okay, I've got some in here. I've already put it out, ready to mix, and then you get some wood glue and mix the two together. Depending on how big the hole is, you may want to vary the wetness of the mix. The smaller the hole is, the wetter it needs to be, because what you'll do is once you want to use it, you just use something like a putty knife or something, and then you push it into the hole. And if it's a bigger hole, let it get a bit drier so that it doesn't run, and that's it. And then you'll just need something to smoothen out the mix that you put in there, the wood glue and the wood shavings, just to smoothen it out into the shape that you want, and then allow it to dry. Thank you for watching. Do give us a subscribe so we can bring more videos like this to help you. Thank you.